Sort of like this. Okay.
Help, little fella.
Golly, watch your head. She's asleep. Too damn on.
This is how it is when you have a kid.
It's not just jump in and out, huh?
Nope.
Slow down, ma'am. That's why you use a condom.
Can't go past it.
Hey.
When you walk into a place, you can't just go through cars like you normally would. You gotta pick a certain walk through.
That's big
You
enough
might
to
hit
fit
cars
the.
and stuff.
And you don't want to jerk
Like
your.
for instance, you couldn't go through there.
You have to go through the bigger one
Probably this one is probably too long.
because of the car seat. And we are at Taste of Asia. Okay, we're waiting on Grandma and Aunt Tracy.